Hello YouTube viewers, and welcome to the channel. So today's video, I'm doing a review on the Lincoln Electric gloves that you can pick up at Lowe's, online. I'm sure there's other places you can get it, but just in my area, all I have is Lowe's. Now, I bought these because they're Lincoln Electric, high quality. They're $30 at Lowe's. I liked it because they weren't super thick gloves. They were the ones where you can actually stick your hand in, actually be able to feel what you're grabbing. That's the whole reason why I got it. But they're junk. They're full-blown junk. On this set of gloves right here, I only have maybe 30 hours of shop time with them. But when the first issue happened, I was probably around 23 hours. And what happened was, I blew out the stitching. Not sure you can see it right there. Well, the other day, I ended up blowing out the tip of the finger right there, the stitching. Busted the finger out right there. And this is all on my left hand. Top of the finger is busted on that one as well, as you can see. Stitching on this has come apart. I mean, I'm still going to keep them around. I'm just going to keep sewing up the holes. Because, as you know, sparks go down that sucker, it's going to light you up like it did me. Whenever I had the big split right here. Just burn this all up. The other glove's fine, and I think the reasoning behind that is I sit here, I'm right-handed, so when I'm running the stick, all this is under the plate, near the plate, all the heat, all the slag, all that stuff's falling down on it. I'm thinking that might be what's causing the issue, but I could be wrong. Also, I've noticed from the heat, it seems like the fingers have shrunk, because from when I used to put these on, it used to be like that. My palm of my hand was right here. Now it's down here, which before wasn't like that. So, yeah, not too happy with my purchase. And it's already been used and you can't return. No warranty, no nothing. So here's a lovely review for Lincoln Electric gloves. If I was you and you're on a small budget, go to your local Harbor Freight. Those have never failed me. They're the thick ones. And you run into the issues of barely being able to grab rods and all that stuff. But in the long run, they're going to hold up a much better. Don't waste your money on these. Save the 30 for something else. Take care.